Alright, I will teach you how you add sections and how you remove them. If you click on the red arrow on the left, it will be deleted. So we got our team member page. I'm gonna trash that, and our contact us section, and now we got a blank page and with no content. So I'm also gonna teach you how you fill this content. So right over here, click on the blue button, add section, the add section button, and search for your section. Okay, this is the client testimonials. Okay, and now I'm gonna click on the blue button again. And right over here, you got a lot of features, but the most are paid, but we're gonna use the free one. So I got in clients, or happy clients. And right over here, I'm gonna search for the team member page. And this is how you work with drag and drop. It's really easy, isn't it? So you search for an element that you want to add to your website, like this contact form. In the next lecture, I will show you how you put a contact form in the contact us page. So that's great. So just take a look at our website right now. It's looking really amazing in my opinion. A really professional site. With this team, you got a lot of features that other free teams don't have. It's just, you can compare it like a paid team, but this is free, but you can compare it to a paid team with all those features. So in the next lecture, I will show you how you add the contact form to your contact us page. So let's take a quick look at our website. It's looking really amazing and really professional in my opinion. And I will hit the add section button one more time. And right over here, I'm going to search for portfolio. I really like this team. It's a really good team. So I'm going to click on portfolio and click on add section. Okay, that's great. It's looking really professional and good. So we got our portfolio right now. We're going to fill it also. And you can use your own items in your portfolio. And right over here, I'm gonna show you the website that we got. Okay, our team section, our client testimonials. Alright, and after adding the portfolio section, I want to hit the blue button on publish. So I'll wait. And yep, this is our website right now. Cool. Okay, with a great portfolio, with great client testimonials, and our team member section, and our contact form, what we're gonna cover in the next lectures. So that's really great.